Here are some tips for doing quick makeup in the car. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Use a facial wipe or toner to remove any excess oil and dirt, and then apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Use a compact foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone. Apply it with a makeup sponge or your fingers, and blend it well. Use a creamy concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles under your eyes. Blend it with a small brush or your finger. Set your makeup with a pressed powder using a large powder brush. This will help to keep your makeup in place and absorb any excess oil. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in and shape your eyebrows. Use a brow gel to set them in place. Apply a neutral eyeshadow or a swipe of eyeliner and mascara to define your eyes. Swipe on a sheer lip balm or a tinted lip gloss to add a pop of color to your lips. Remember to keep your makeup minimal and natural, and to avoid using any heavy or fragrance products that may be overwhelming in a small space like a car. And always make sure to properly dispose of any makeup or skincare wipes or cotton balls, and to keep your car clean and organized.